Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host Steve, and this is another open box review of the Gamera 1999 from X Plus Model Kits. And fantastic new release from X Plus, 700 scale. And as you can see here, it's in another Aurora style long box. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. And the plastic is off. Open this up. We'll see what's inside this box here. And we have dark gray styrene here. And the instructions are of off-white color, Aurora style once again, sticking to that theme. And you can see here some of the assembly steps going on with that. Very cool pose. Turn it over. Gives us the painting view. Dark green, yellow, dark blue, ivory, brown. Pro tip here, using some pastel colors and such. And some preview of some upcoming kits. Shin Ultraman. And of course I already did a review on the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the parts. The SMKR way. Here's the first tree, and this would be the arm and hands. Very detailed here, very nice. Small sprue attachment points here. And just small little bit of undergating there, so it takes some extra cleanup with that. And if you don't know or understand what undergating is, that's basically for plated or chrome parts to protect the plating. That way you don't remove all the plating when you're taking the part off the tree. Now I explained this a little more detail in the Metropolis kit, Maria kit that I built. I'll put a link down below. Check out my build of that. I did a complete build of the Maria Metropolis kit from start to finish from X Plus. Here's the next one. Once again we have some of the hands and looks like the bottom of the feet. Very, very detailed there. Very nice. And these would be part of the head right here. Left and right, top and bottom. Part of the jaw, the teeth. Very cool. And there's a close-up of the jaw. Very detailed. Being a 700 scale, the details even have to be more intricate and smaller. And the next trees are the armor plating for his back shell area, and essentially this is what they all look like. There is some detail here. Let's get a closer view. Here you go. Next one. Detail there is exquisite. next one. And you can see how they're attached on the back side. And here's the base of the shell, part of the tail. And here's all those armor pieces get attached to. They're all numbered, as you can see here. Once again, the other part of the tail. And part of the main torso, the legs. And the last tree, which would be the legs and feet. And there you have it. That was an open box review of the X Plus model kit Gamera 1999, the Guardian of the Universe, the Incomplete Struggle, 700 scale, all plastic model kit. So if you'd like to see more reviews like this, let me know in the comments below. I'd also like to know what your thoughts are about this kit, so please share your thoughts below in the comments, and please give me a thumbs up. That definitely helps with the algorithms and gets my channel out there. So if you like my content, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel, and happy modeling, everybody. Take care.